Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly supplement their income while working full-time? In 2024, side hustles are not just a trend, they're a strategic move toward financial independence. Let's explore how you can tap into this growing movement and turn your skills and passions into profit. First, let's define what a side hustle is. A side hustle is any job or business activity you engage in alongside your primary job. It can provide financial security, flexibility, and the opportunity to pursue your passions. With the job market evolving rapidly, relying solely on one income source can be risky. So, what options are available for you? One of the most accessible routes is freelancing. Have you considered turning your expertise into cash? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for specific skills, whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing. As a freelancer, you can set your own rates and choose projects that excite you. This flexibility allows you to balance your workload and enhance your portfolio simultaneously. Let's move on to e-commerce. Did you know that online shopping has become a multi-trillion-dollar industry? Starting your own online store has never been easier. With platforms like Shopify and Amazon, you can sell products ranging from handmade crafts to digital downloads. Consider exploring dropshipping, where you can sell products without the need for inventory. This model allows you to focus on marketing and customer service while suppliers handle fulfillment. What unique products can you create or curate that will resonate with your target audience? Another fantastic side hustle option is online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a specific subject, platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Skillshare enable you to connect with students eager to learn. Whether you're teaching English, math, or creative skills, online tutoring offers flexibility and the satisfaction of helping others succeed. What knowledge do you possess that could empower someone else? The gig economy is thriving, providing ample opportunities for those looking to earn extra income. Services like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and TaskRabbit allow you to monetize your time and skills flexibly. Whether you choose to drive, deliver food, or complete odd jobs, these platforms enable you to work when it suits you. However, it's crucial to calculate your costs, such as fuel and vehicle maintenance, to ensure your side gig remains profitable. How much are you willing to invest in your side hustle? Content creation is another exciting avenue to explore. Are you passionate about sharing your experiences or knowledge? Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer endless opportunities for creative expression. Successful content creators can monetize their channels through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. While it takes time to build an audience, the potential for income is substantial. What stories, skills, or hobbies do you want to share with the world? Consulting is also an effective way to leverage your professional experience. If you have expertise in areas like finance, marketing, or business strategy, many organizations are willing to pay for your insights. As a consultant, you can help businesses improve their operations while boosting your income. Building a strong network and establishing your credibility in your industry will be vital in attracting clients. What unique value can you offer to businesses seeking growth? Let's not overlook passive income. Are you ready to make your money work for you? Investing in stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending can provide additional income streams over time. The earlier you start investing, the greater the compounding effect on your wealth. Are you prepared to educate yourself on smart investment strategies that align with your financial goals? As you consider these opportunities, here are some essential strategies for success. First, align your side hustle with your interests or expertise. This alignment will not only make the work enjoyable, but also increase your chances of success. Second, set clear and achievable goals. Understand that building a successful side hustle takes time and persistence. Time management is critical. How will you balance your side hustle with your primary job and personal life? Prioritize your tasks to maximize productivity while ensuring you don't experience burnout. Lastly, keep accurate records of your income and expenses. This practice will help you track your financial progress and prepare for tax obligations. Side hustles present a remarkable opportunity to enhance your income and achieve financial independence in 2024. Whether you choose freelancing, e-commerce, tutoring, or consulting, the possibilities are vast. So, what's stopping you? Take the first step toward building your future today. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into personal finance and wealth-building strategies.